snap, family. We got Jalilo. We got my boy Idris Lol. And happy Friday. Yeah. You came and give me a hug, Baba? Anyways, it's Black Friday today. And Jalila doesn't want to do no shopping. She said, I'm going to wait till Monday till all the shoppers calm down because there's still a sale on Monday. They call it Cyber Monday. You catch all the sales on Monday too. So, yeah, but Black Friday shopping is definitely too busy right now. We both agreed on that one. So we're going to do something else today. All right, guys, so we're here at Trader Joe's, and Jalila's getting the ready-to-go pizza dough because she wants to have a pizza night. Pizza and movie. You want to do a pizza and movie night?
That's what Idris wants.
I thought it was just supposed to be me and you. We'll put the kid to sleep.
Okay, 2 or 1.
Huh?
2 or 1.
What? 2, Jadea?
2?
Yeah. Because you want cheese on your pizza, no?
I'm gonna cut it up.
We'll keep it for later. They got their own pizza sauce here too. Look at this.
You'll try the pizza sauce.
Definitely just like literally they have everything here. Oh, pizza cheese.
What the freak is that?
Why does it look vegan? Idris is pushing the cart. Look at that's hilarious. No, that's the back room, bro. Alright guys, we're here in Miniso and boy Idris picked out his car. Now we're about to walk up to the front and pay out. You gotta pay for it now, Bob. Let's go. Wait, did he say something he liked?
He sees the colors.
Oh, he sees the markers. Nah, yeah, he just threw his toy like he didn't care about it.
No. Freaking capper. Saha! Saha! Look at Dada. Jeez, look at Dada. Saha! Saha! Saha!
Why are you fake coughing, Baba?
Saha! Saha! Saha!